In this Sonoran Living Spotlight, hormones are a vital part of our bodies functioning properly, and the last thing you want to do is let them deplete. Carol Ann Tutera is the president of Tutera Medical and SottoPelleTherapy. And why do our bodies need hormones to begin with?
Well, we produce hormones, so we want to keep the hormones within the system. We want to feel better, we want to feel energized, we want to be able to age gracefully, we want to be able to think as we age.
How does Tutera Medical help us?
We provide a bioidentical hormone therapy we've been doing since 1992. It's been out since 1939, and we are helping people age gracefully by giving them the ability to do that through a small little tiny pellet.
All right, there you go, aging gracefully. That's where she had me. All right, guess what? A special offer for new patients. You'll receive $50 off. Tutera Medical and SottoPelleTherapy have locations in Scottsdale, Chandler, Glendale, and Paradise Valley. 480-874-1515, tuteramedical.com. This Sonoran Living Spotlight is paid for by Tutera Medical.